Anxiety, a tiny word, but it can crush you. No matter if you are going young or old, rich or struggling, anxiety slips in like smoke. Work pressure, family fights, money, worries, future fears, everyone feels it. Sometimes it is like a stone on your chest. But is anxiety really about the problems themselves or about how long we keep holding them? So, I am talking about the story of a doctor. This is the story of Dr. Maya Rahman, a gentle science teacher who showed her students a simple trick to beat anxiety, not by ignoring it, but by learning when to let it go. Dr. Maya lived in a quiet coastal town called Seaview. Waves crashed outside, kids played cricket on the beach, and her little school smelled of salt and chalk. Everyone loved Dr. Maya, not just for her lessons on volcanoes and stars, but because she taught life in the clearest way. One sunny morning, the grade 8 class in her school was restless. Fans spun lazily, kids whispered about the upcoming science fair. Dr. Maya walked in carrying something odd, not a model rocket but a small steel water bottle. She held it up and smiled. Class, how heavy is this bottle? So class replied. Laughter broke out. Zara shouted 500 grams. Amir guessed 1 kilo. Ma'am, little Sarah said half a kilo. Dr. Maya laughed softly. Nice tries, but the exact weight is not important. Watch this, she kept the bottle raised. If I hold it for 1 minute, easy. For 1 hour, my arm starts to ache. For a whole day, my hand goes numb, my shoulder screams. The room went quiet. She lowered the bottle onto the table. The room went quiet. She lowered the bottle into the table. Did the bottle get heavier? Everyone shook their heads. No, she said, but the longer I hold it, the heavier it feels. Anxiety is exactly the same. A worry for 5 minutes, pain for 5 hours. Headache, all night panic. Zara bit her lip. She always worried about exams. Ahmed stared at the floor. He fought with his older brother every evening. Dr. Maya continued. The problem does not grow, but the longer you carry it, the worse it hurts. So, what should we do? Sarah raised her hand shyly. Put the bottle down, ma'am. Dr. My eyes sparkled. Exactly, put it down, rest. Pick it up only when you're ready. She gave them two easy habits. First, the 60-second break. When anxiety climbs, stop, close eyes. Take 3 slow breaths. Ask, is this thoughtful, useful right now? If not, set it aside like the bottle. Second, the nighttime drop before bed. Write every worry on a page. Tests fight. Tomorrow's speech. Fold the paper, slide it under a book, and say, I am parking this here. Sleep now, the class scribbled past. Some grinned. Finally, a real plan. Weeks later, Zara used the 60-second break before her science fair speech. She breathed, set the fear down, and won prize first. Amir wrote his anger on paper every night. He slept 8 hours and patched things up with his brother. Little Sarah drew smiley faces on her very patch mornings felt light. On the last day of term, Dr. Maya held the same steel bottle. Life will hand you heavy bottles. Some days light, some days crushing, but anxiety is not the size of the bottle. It is how long you grip it. Learn to put it down, breathe, rest, grow stronger. She placed the bottle on the desk. The class